Hello everyone. So I made this juicy garlic butter beef skewers and I've been hooked ever since. So let me show you how. So I'm using a large cut of beef and I'll slice it thinly and then cut it into smaller pieces. I'm gonna season the beef with minced garlic, ginger, onion powder, black pepper, chili powder, salt, and my special green seasoning. Now mix it properly before adding any oil. I'm using a blend of palm oil and rapeseed oil, or you can just use olive oil. It's very good too. I let my marinate overnight for a deeper flavor, but you can marinate for at least 30 minutes. So while it's marinating, just soak the skewers in hot water for at least 30 minutes, as this will prevent them from burning during grilling. I'm just going to thread the beef on the skewers like this and make sure they are tightly packed. This is what it should look like after threading. Grill for a total of 40 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. But before then, take a whole garlic bulb and trim the top slightly. Drizzle it with oil and sprinkle black pepper over it. Now wrap the bulb in a foil and grill it alongside the meat. Now it's been 20 minutes of grilling and I'm just removing the excess juice from the beef, and I'm just going to flip them over and grill again for 20 minutes. Now let's prepare the garlic coating by melting some butter and adding the garlic that was grilled with the beef. This is gonna be a good time to subscribe if you haven't. Now just add in some green seasoning and some black pepper. Give it a good mix and it's ready to use. Now look at this beef looking all juicy and delicious. I'll just coat them with the garlic mixture and the end result was yummy, and I've been making mine like this for some time. I hope you try this recipe, and if you have any questions, just hit me up in the comment section. Thanks for grilling with me today, and I'll see you next week for another banging recipe.